Hi guys, in front of me is Emporia SMART 5 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select System and click on Languages and Input. Now select the virtual keyboard, go to Gboard and select Languages. And as you can see, currently we are set up with Arabic. By tapping on Add Keyboard, you can add a new one. Let me pick, for example, English. Tap on Done. Now smoothly remove unnecessary language, and that's it. So from now on, this is your keyboard, and this is the layout that you chose and the one that you can use. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.